Welcome to Data Servicer YouTube channel. I'm thanking for this day and wishing you all the best for what you do today and in future. In one of my previous video, I have posted about 35 companies stocks that are contributing to the growth of EV industry. Here in this video, I'll be covering about the mutual funds that are holding these 35 companies and contributing to the EV industry in a major proportion. Here in this video, we are going to discuss and provide the top mutual funds who are holding some of these 35 companies that are being majorly contributing to the EV industry. Let's get into the video. The first and top mutual fund is Motilal Oswal Nifty 500. This mutual fund holds total of 500 companies and there are 16 sectors involved in it. Some of the top sectors involved are financial, technology, energy, healthcare, construction, automobile, chemicals, services, metals, etc. Among these 500 companies, 28 companies are contributing to the EV industry. Those 28 companies are Hindustan Unilever Limited, Tech Mahindra, Mahindra & Mahindra, Hindalco, Tata Motors, Vedanta, Indian Oil Corporation, Tata Power, Siemens, Bharat Forge, Ashok Leyland, IRCTC, Tata Chemicals, Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services, Exide Industry, Nalco, Hindustan Zinc, L&T Finance Holdings, Amara Raja Batteries, Tata Motors DVR, Endurance Technology, CESC Limited, Graphite India, Hindustan Copper, Schneider Electric Infrastructure, Reeves Cotton, Minda Corporation Limited. So this fund holds a total of 28 companies that are contributing to the EV platform. Instead of investing into each and every company, you could just invest in this fund and look for the growth of these companies, and when these companies do well in the market, obviously this fund also will do well. The next fund that we're going to see is ICICI Prudential Equity Arbitrage Fund. This fund holds total of 156 companies and it includes 17 sectors. The sectors involved are financial, metals, healthcare, energy, services, technology, construction, FMCG, etc. 19 out of 156 companies are contributing to the EV platform. Those 19 companies are Vedanta, Hindustan Unilever, Tata Power, Hindalco, Tech Mahindra, Tata Chemicals, Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Motors, Indian Oil Corporation, Motherson Sumi System, L&T Finance Holdings, Bharat Forge, Amara Raja Batteries, Nalco, Siemens, Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services, IRCTC, Ashok Leyland, Exide Industry. As I said before, instead of buying each and every companies as a separate stock, you could just invest in this fund and gain more returns whenever these companies do better in the market. The next fund that we're going to see is Kotak Equity Arbitrage Fund. This fund holds 159 companies and it includes 15 sectors. The top sectors are financial, metals, healthcare, energy, services, technology, automobile, FMCG, etc. 19 out of 159 companies are contributing to the EV platform, and here is the list. The next fund that we're going to see is Aditya Birla Sun Life Arbitrage Fund. This fund holds 145 companies and it includes 17 sectors. The top sectors are financial, metals, services, energy, healthcare, technology, construction, FMCG, automobile, etc. 18 out of 145 companies are contributing to the EV platform. Here is the list of those companies. The next fund that we're going to see is SBI Arbitrage Opportunities Fund. This fund holds 129 companies, 16 sectors are involved in this. Here is the sector list, and 18 out of 129 companies are contributing to the EV platform. Here is the list of those companies. The next fund that we're going to see is IDFC Arbitrage Fund. This fund holds 153 companies and it involves 17 sectors, and here is the list of sectors. 18 out of 153 companies are involved in contributing to the EV industry. Here is the list. The next fund that we're going to see is Edelweiss Arbitrage Fund. 151 companies are being held and it involves 16 sectors. Here is the sector list, and 18 out of 151 companies are being contributing to the EV platform. The next fund that we're going to see is Tata Arbitrage Fund. This fund holds 137 companies and it involves 16 sectors. The list of sectors are financial, automobile, healthcare, metals, services, construction, FMCG, chemicals, etc. 17 out of 137 companies are being involved in contributing to the EV platform. Here is the list. The next fund that we're going to see is Nippon India Arbitrage Fund. 139 companies are being held in this fund and it involves 17 sectors. Here's the sector list, and 17 out of 139 companies are contributing to the EV industry. Here's the list of companies. The next fund that we're going to see is UTI Arbitrage Fund. 123 companies are being held in this and it involves 14 sectors. 17 out of 123 companies are contributing to the EV industry. The next fund that we're going to see is Edelweiss Balanced Advantage. Previously we see about Edelweiss Arbitrage Fund, and this is Balanced Advantage. 110 companies are being held and it involves 14 sectors. 16 out of 110 companies are contributing to the EV industry. The next fund is DSP Arbitrage Fund. 114 companies are being held and it involves 16 sectors. 15 out of 114 companies are contributing to the EV industry. The next fund is L&T Arbitrage Opportunities Fund. 141 companies are being held. 16 sectors are being involved in this. 15 out of 141 companies are contributing to the EV industry. Access Arbitrage Fund. This fund holds 101 companies. It involves 15 sectors. 14 out of 101 companies are contributing to EV platform. The next fund is DSP Dynamic Asset Allocation Fund. 111 companies are being held. 14 sectors are involved in this. 14 out of 111 companies are contributing to the EV industry. So these are some of the top mutual funds that are holding some of the companies that are contributing major to the EV platform. That's it I have for this video. I'll be covering about some international companies in the upcoming videos. For mutual funds related data and insights, visit dataservicer.com/fundslearning. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Twitter and LinkedIn for more updates. If I have missed to mention about any fund that are contributing to the EV platform, you can write down us in the comment section. Stay subscribed and stay notified for more data.